Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, you'll learn how to write a medical claim letter to an insurance company. This letter is a formal request submitted by a policyholder seeking reimbursement for medical expenses covered under their health insurance plan. You are writing to the claims department of your insurance company to request reimbursement for recent medical expenses. Your letter includes your personal contact information, the date of submission, and a clear subject line stating the purpose. You address the letter formally to the concerned department. After that, write, I am writing to formally submit a medical claim for reimbursement under my health insurance XYZ policy number. I recently underwent emergency treatment at ABC Hospital due to severe abdominal pain, which was later diagnosed as acute appendicitis. The procedure required immediate surgery and a 3-day hospital stay. The total expenses incurred were XYZ amount, which includes consultation fees, diagnostics, surgery, medication, and room charges. All supporting documents, including the hospital bill, doctor's report, discharge summary, and payment receipts, are enclosed for your review. Kindly process this claim at your earliest convenience and inform me if any further documentation is required. I appreciate your attention to this matter and look forward to a prompt response. Sincerely, your name. Here's our sample medical claim letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines the treatment received, the expenses incurred, and maintains a respectful and professional tone throughout. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective medical-related letters.